my channel. Ang lesson natin ngayon mga friends ay transforming an equation of a line in slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b to its standard form ax plus by is equal to c. So ngayon mga friends, magkakaroon tayo ng handful of examples para makikita po natin ang iba't ibang itsura in slope-intercept form at kung paano po natin isa-isang ita-transform into its equivalent na standard form ax plus by is equal to c. So, simulan po natin. Let's go to our first example. Kasi kunwari mga friends, binibigyan tayo ng equation ng line in slope-intercept form na y is equal to 2x, kunwari lang, 2x minus 3. Okay? So, paano po natin ita-transform itong ganitong itsura o ganitong anyo ng ating equation ng line? So, ito pong anyong ito ay kasaan yung y equals mx plus b, which is commonly known as slope-intercept form ng equation ng line. So, gagawin po natin siya ang ganitong itsura, ax plus by plus c, or the standard form of the line. So, gagawin yan mga friends, tandaan nyo lang po yung equal sign. Kasi dyan po sa equal sign, dyan po natin malalaman yung mga signs ng ating mga terms. Okay, so, dahil po yung y ay nasa left side na, so mapapansin nyo mga friends, yung x at yung coefficient niya at yung y at yung coefficient niya ay nasa left side ng ating equation. So, yan po yung gagawa natin ng paraan na ililipat lahat sa left side ng equation yung my x at my y at yung mga kasama nilang coefficients. So, since yung y ay nasa left side na equation, okay na po yan. Huwag na po natin gagalawin. So, ang gagalawin na lang po natin ay yung 2x. So, positive 2x po siya pag nilipat po natin sa left side of the equation. So, to conform with the standard form of the line, equation of the line, magiging negative po ang ating positive 2x. So, we have negative 2x. Tapos, yung y natin dahil positive ay magiging plus y po siya. Na ngayon, ang maiwanan na lang po sa right side ng ating equation ay yung negative 3 or minus 3. Okay. So, almost nasa standard form na po tayo ng equation of a line. Pero usually po, kapag negative yung coefficient ng x, usually po, ginagawa po yung positive. So, paano po natin gagawin positive yan? We simply have to multiply the entire equation by negative 1. Okay? So, we have negative 2x plus y minus 3 multiplying the entire equation by negative 1. That means, mamultiply po natin itong left side ng equation ng negative 1 at yung right side ng equation by negative 1. So, that magiging positive po itong coefficient ng x. Okay? So, we have negative 1 times yung mga value sa ating left side ng equation, which is 2x plus y is equal to, okay? Which is equal to negative 1 ulit times yung right side naman ng equation natin this time. Okay? So, we have negative y times negative 2x. Okay? Yung gagawin pala natin nito mga friends, itong negative 1 na sa labas ng ating parentheses ay mumultiply po natin sa lahat ng terms inside our parentheses. So, doing that, we have to multiply negative 1 to negative 2x and then 2 positive y. So, we have ngayon negative y times negative 2x plus negative y po ulit. Okay, negative y times yung y naman natin this time. Okay? So, dinistribute lang po natin kumbaga. And that equals negative 1 times negative 3 multiplying two numbers with the same signs. So, yung product po natin yan ay magiging positive. So, 1 times 3 is 3. Okay? So, ngayon we have negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2x. Okay? Now, we have plus negative 1 times y, we have negative y equals 3. Or in other words, we have 2x plus negative y or minus y equals 3. So ngayon po, nag-conform na po tayo sa ating standard form ng equation ng line. Ax plus by is equal to c. Wherein, ang a po natin dito ay yung coefficient ng x, which is 2. Ang b naman po natin, dahil minus po siya, dito naman po sa ating standard form ay plus. So, ibig sabihin, ang b po natin dyan ngayon ay negative. Kasi nga po, meron tayong, kapag wala nakalagay po ng coefficient, ibig po sabihin, meron pong 1 dyan. So, we have minus 1. Or, yung b natin ay negative 1. Negative 1. Habang yung c naman po natin ay 3. Okay? 3. Right? That is going to be our first example. Okay, second example. Example number 2, we have y. Karoon po tayo ngayon ng negative na slope na fraction. Negative 3/5 x plus 1. Ano rin po, ganyan yung given. So, paano nga po natin ita-transform ang equation ng line na ito into its standard form, ax plus by. So, eventually po, ganito pa rin yung dadaanan natin. Only lang we need to resolve first the denominator ng fraction, or yung fraction po natin mismo. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito, titingnan lang po natin ang denominator ng ating fraction. Okay, so kung anong denominator ng fraction po natin dyan, yan po yung magiging multiplier natin. Multiply po natin yung buong equation ng the same value as our denominator. The purpose po niyan ay para ma-eliminate po yung denominator ng ating given na slope, which is in fraction form. So we have y is equal to negative 3/5 x plus 1. Again, multiply lang po natin dyan. Buong equation na yan with the same value as with our denominator na 5. Okay, ngayon po, multiply, ibig po sabihin yan, multiply po natin yung left side, both left side at right side ng equation by 5. So we have 5 times y, we have 5 times y equals 5 pa rin times the entire set of value ng ating right side ng ating equation. So we have 3/5 x plus 1. Okay? Again, we have 5y is equal to 5 times negative 3/5. So, alam po natin makakancel itong dalawa kasi times 5 tapos divide lang din ng the same value. So, ang matira po yan ay yung negative 3x. Okay, so again, 5 multiply naman po dun sa isa pang term. So, we know that that is positive. So, 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so almost nandiyan na po tayo. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung parang tsura ng kanina na nasa right side pa rin po yung x at yung coefficient niya. So, ang gagawin po natin yan ay gagawa natin ng paraan na mailipat po siya sa left side ng ating equation. So, okay, again, sulat po natin yung equal sign. Since negative 3x po siya, pag nilipat po sa left side ng equation natin ay magiging positive 3x. Tapos yung 5y pa rin natin ay mananatiling positive. Kasi nga, hindi naman po siya nililipat sa other side of the equation. Okay? And then, yung 5 po natin, dito, ay mananatiling 5 pa rin positive. Okay, now, meron na po tayong equation of the line na nagko-conform sa ating ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, now, we have a is equal to 3, b equals 5, at c equals 5 din. So, punta na po tayo sa ating pangatlong example, mga friends. Ano naman po pag, kunwari, meron tayong y equals 1/4 x plus 3/4. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, yung ating slope ay in fraction form, ganun po yung ating y-intercept. Nagkataon nga lang po na yung denominators ng ating slope at ng y-intercept are same. So, pareho pong 4 ang denominator nila. Okay? So, in this case, mga friends, ang gagawin nyo lang ulit ay ganun pa rin. Parang ginawa lang din natin sa number 2. Multiply lang din ulit sa the same value as with the denominator. Total parehas naman po denominator nila. Multiply lang po natin yung buong equation ng the same value. Okay, doing that, we have y equals 1/4 x plus 3/4. Okay, multiply po yung buong equation ng 4 kasi nga po 4 yung common denominator between our slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so doing that, we are going to multiply the left side of the equation by 4. So we have 4 times y or 4y equals 4 times yung buong set ng right side of our equation. So we have 4 x plus 3/4. Okay, so we have 4y equals 4 times 1/4. Okay, kung isa-isahin po natin, we have 4 times 1/4 x plus 4 pa rin. Okay, dito, tapos dito naman po, 4 times 3/4. Okay, so we have 4y equals, cancel po ito, we have x na lang po matitira, plus, cancel, we have 3. Now, conforming with the standard form ng ating line, we need to transpose the x na variable sa ating left side. So, doing that, we have negative x. Kasi positive po siya dyan, magiging negative po siya pag nilipat sa kabilang side. Then, together with our 4y equals, so yung right side ng ating equation po, ang matitira na lang ay. So again, kung maalala nyo po yung example number 1, kapag na-negative po yung coefficient ng x, usually po, minumultiply po natin yan ng negative 1 para magiging positive po yung coefficient ng ating x. Okay? So, doing that, we have, okay, multiplying by negative 1, we have negative x times negative 1, we have positive x na ngayon, plus 4y times negative 1, so magiging negative 4y, or simply minus 4y, equals 3. 3 times negative 1 equals negative. So it follows po, mga friends, na yung a natin dito ay positive 1, b ay negative 4, at c is negative. Okay, so yan lang mga friends. Punta tayo sa ating last example. Paano naman po pag magkaiba yung denominators ng ating slope at ng y-intercept? So, ang aralin natin sa ating last na example. Okay, what if we are given y is equal to 2/3 x minus 1/2. Okay? So, pareho po silang, ang slope natin is in fraction form. So, po, ang ating y-intercept, yun nga lang, magkaiba po yung denominator nila. So, in this case, mga friends, ay hahanapin lang po natin ang LCD, least common denominator, between 2/3 and 1/2, or simply the least common multiple between the denominators 3 and 2. Ibig sabihin po, hanapin po natin yung pinakamaliit na whole number na maaari pong ma-divide ng 3 at 2. Yung pinakamaliit po So, kasi yung 12 na-divide pa rin naman ng 3 at 2. But there exists 6, which is smaller than 12 na nag-divide din naman ng 3 and 2. Therefore, yung LCM between 3 and 2 is 6. Okay? So, LCM between 3 and 2 is 6. So, yan po yung gagamitin natin as multiplier ng buong equation. So, we have y equals 2/3 x minus 1/2, okay, times the LCM between 3 and 2, which is 6. Okay? Now, ngayon, itong 6 ay multiply po natin both to the with the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. So, we have 6 times y equals 6 pa rin times the entire right side of the equation, or 2/3 or 2/3 x minus 1/2. We have 6y equals multiplying 6 to both 2/3 x, 6 times 2/3 x, and 1/2. 6 times 1/2. Okay, so we have 6y equals 6 times 3 is 12 divided by 6 times 2 is 12 divided by 3 is 4. X minus 6 times 1 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the same process as with example number 1 and number 3. Lilipat lang po natin ulit yung ating value na mayroong, term na mayroong x to the left side of the equation to conform with the standard form of the equation of the line. So, we have negative, kasi positive 4x po siya, magiging negative 4x plus 6y equals minus 3 na lang po yung natitira doon sa right side ng equation. Okay? And then, again, dahil negative yung coefficient ng ating x, multiply pa din po yung entire equation again na negative 1 para magiging positive po yung coefficient ng ating x. So, negative, we have negative 1 times negative 4x plus 6y equals negative 1 pa rin times negative 3. Okay, so negative 1 times negative 4, we have positive 4. X, negative times positive is negative 1 times 6 is 6. Y equals negative 1 times negative 3 is positive. So, it follows mga friends na by the way, nag-conform na po pala tayo sa ating standard form ng equation ng line, which is 4x minus 6y equals 3. Wherein, yung a po natin dito mga friends ay yung value na kadikit sa x, which is 4. Yung b naman po natin ay yung value na kadikit sa y, negative 6. While our c is positive. Okay? So, sana mga friends, may natutunan kayo sa ating discussion ngayon. At kung kayo may natutunan, pakihit naman po ng like at pakishare na rin po para matututo din yung ibang friends natin. At pakisubscribe na rin din po para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod na natin. Maraming salamat.